In this video, I will show you how to connect Tradingview to Webull. So the first step is to simply open Tradingview, and then we're gonna have to open a super chart. So we're gonna have to simply click on C on super chart. Now what we're gonna have to do next, so it's gonna look something similar to this on your computer. So we're gonna have to simply go down here and click on trading panel. Now once we do that, we're gonna have here a list with different brokers. So we're gonna have to scroll down, and then we're gonna have to click on all brokers. Now once we do that, we're gonna have to scroll down until we see Webull. So as you can see, it's right here. So simply click on it, and then we're gonna have to simply click on the connect button. Now once we do that, we're gonna get redirected to the login page, where we're gonna have to simply enter our phone login or email address, then the password, and then simply click on login, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.